New FCA crypto regulations came into force in the UK on the 8th of October 2023. And then, just 10 days after this, on the 18th of October 2023, Binance announced that it was no longer able to offer financial promotions in the UK, that it therefore wasn't allowed to offer cryptocurrency services to UK users according to these FCA rules, and that it would continue to try to gain regulatory approval, which at the time of recording this video, it still hasn't, over 8 months later. And I covered this in a bit more detail in a previous video that you can find a link to here and in the description if you want to check that out further. But Binance remains the largest crypto exchange in the world by far, with over 49% of the global market share in spot trading volume, and being the most traded when looking at crypto derivatives as well, despite the issues it's had in different countries, notably in the USA and the UK. But the outcome for UK users has been that there's no on-ramp or off-ramp now on Binance, other than using its peer-to-peer service. It's accepting no new UK users unless you're already signed up, and yet it will make you complete the FCA's required declaration and assessment, because it has still been trying to get a UK-based regulated company to offer its financial promotions for crypto. So why hasn't Binance been able to do this in all of this time? Well, that's what we'll be looking at in this video. So please do like the video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content for you in future. Just a reminder that nothing contained here is financial advice. And let's jump straight in and take a look at some of the reasons why Binance may have been blocked from operating in the UK. Firstly, Binance was always going to find it virtually impossible to gain regulatory approval with the FCA in the UK while it was trying to settle the claims against it in the United States, which has now happened and led to its CEO, CZ, stepping down and serving 4 months in prison. And if Binance follows through with this and remains compliant in the United States from now, this would help its case in the UK too, which is quite obvious. But let's now look at something that a lot of people aren't aware of, because BSV, or Bitcoin SV, which is a blockchain and cryptocurrency that forked away from Bitcoin Cash back in 2018, that has a market cap of around $860 million at the time of recording this video. Well, Bitcoin SV sued 6 cryptocurrency exchanges through the UK's Competition Appeal Tribunal back in July of 2022 on behalf of an estimated 240,000 UK investors of this cryptocurrency for allegedly delisting its cryptocurrency on these exchanges unfairly back in 2019, citing collusion, anti-competitive behaviour, and providing no clear reasons for delisting it. And this is being led by Lord David Curry, who's the sole director of the company BSV Claims and is a former chairman of the Competition and Markets Authority, and is obviously a member of the House of Lords as well. And those exchanges, ignoring any duplicates from the 6 I've just mentioned, are Paywood, who operate financial promotions in the UK for the large crypto exchange Kraken, Bittylicious, a Bitcoin exchange based in the Isle of Man, with certainly an interesting name, ShapeShift, which shut down its US exchange in 2021, settled with the SEC in March 2024 for operating as an unregistered broker, but became a DAO in 2021, so a decentralized autonomous organization. And finally, and more importantly for this video, Binance. So Bitcoin SV is claiming compensation for these supposed unfair delistings based on the growth opportunity that was missed, apparently because of these decisions, to the tune of up to £9.9 billion, which is about $13 billion, most of which would go to the holders of BSV after the 2019 delistings. A hearing took place on the 5th of June 2024, in which the CPO, or Collective Proceedings Order, was presented, and Binance, through its lawyers, along with the other exchanges, presented its motion to throw out the case. And it will be interesting to see what happens when the Competition Appeal Tribunal delivers its verdict. However, this is another reason why the FCA in the UK would certainly not be inclined to approve Binance as a registered exchange until this is all sorted, and also why UK regulated financial promotions firms would be less likely to partner with Binance while this is still going on. Because Binance globally is facing a lot of legal battles and is having to justify itself against the requirement of AML, or anti-money laundering rules. For example, it's been fined by some countries like Canada, warned that it is operating illegally in countries like in the Philippines and Nigeria, but also receiving licenses to operate, like it has recently, in Dubai. With the full list of countries that Binance states on its website that it has licenses for or is registered in, being France, Italy, Lithuania, Spain, Poland, Sweden, Kazakhstan, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Dubai, Australia, Indonesia, Japan, New Zealand, Thailand, Mexico, El Salvador, and South Africa. But that ends this video looking at the reasons why Binance hasn't been approved in the UK so far and may not be for some time to come. And as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below about it. And if you are interested in more of a tailored approach to your crypto education, and you think you'd benefit from having someone look over your shoulder and guide you on your journey, I do offer one-to-one coaching to those who have the desire and the means to educate themselves further. And there are links in the description where you can message me and book in a free video call to see if we'd be a good fit. And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.